Nestled in the heart of the South West Khasi Hills lies a valley with incredible and quiet stories and remembered dreams. This is Kyntaiai Valley, a place where the hills roll like waves across the earth. Where time moves gently like the breeze over tall grasses. Known as the Valley of Horses and Sheep, it is a land where animals graze freely and the earth hums with the rhythm of life. But beyond its beauty lives a tale, the tale of a shepherd boy who wandered the hills with his flock and found more than just pasture, he found love. History lives on, soft as the mist that hugs the mighty hills, eternal as the stars that crown the night. The valley where nature sings and love remembers.